Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm here to give you some makeup tips and tricks. And today we have our beautiful Maha Tahirani. She's a very well-known model. So today we're doing no makeup look. हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी खातून ऐसी हैं जो वर्किंग लेडीज़ हैं और बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ ऐसी हैं जो घर में काम करती हैं. They're not working and they're facing a lot of problem with makeup. So today I'm going to teach you that how to conceal your face just with one concealer. But first what you have to do, you have to prep and prime your skin. This is like a basic thing for me. So Bismillah karte hain. So in the beginning, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use a basic normal moisturizer that I have right now. Can you use it? And I'm also going to ask you in the end कि मैंने क्या product use किया था. You can see it right now. I'll show you. It's Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. And now I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Air Spray. And now that's the fun part. हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ ऐसी हैं जिनको कलर करेक्शन नहीं पता. That's the main problem, right? Because हम कंसीलर लगाते हैं वो ग्रे हो जाता है हमारा कंसीलर. बहुत सारी दफ़ा ऐसा होता है. So today I'm using a really like basic concealer from LA Girl. And I'm just using in the corners. I'm not using too much. And I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. And I'm dabbing my concealer. Like I'm pushing the product in the skin. आप में से कौन है जो ये वाला concealer use करता है? I hope everyone knows that. What do you think about this concealer? Again, I'm going to lift her face a little bit. I mean, she doesn't need it. She's very pretty. And I'm going to use it a little bit over here. That's it. I'm not going to use any foundation on her. Usually, मैं अपना concealer ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाता हूँ to lift the face up. And you know what I like about this concealer? It blends so easily in your skin. And I'm only covering her like, you know, problem areas. जहाँ छोटे-छोटे spots हैं brown या कुछ. See? Now I'm going to take a foundation brush, which is like a kabuki flat brush. I'm going to put some like setting spray. And I'm going to make the rounds over here on her face to achieve that like flawless, no makeup look. As you can see, I'm done. I haven't done any foundation on her and her skin looks amazing. Her face is lifted with the concealer. That's my favorite part. What I'm going to do right now is a blush. I love blush. Look, she loves blush. This is a Fenty blush and you can see her skin's like a little olive tone. I'm using a little darker tone, which is Summertime Wine on the same side. I'm obsessed with blush. Like good blush is like everything for me. I can do entire makeup with the blush only. And what I'm doing right now, I'm going to put it on the nose tip also. I love little pink nose. And I'm going to take a same brush and I'll do it on top of the eyes, like over here. So as you can see, I'm done with my concealer, with my blush. Now what I'm going to use my loose powder. This is also from Fenty. I'm using my same beauty blender. Now I'm going to bake her under eye area to give that snatched look. Over here a little bit. Do not forget to put your powder nose के corners के अंदर because it's a very complicated area. आपके ज़्यादातर like you know oil यहाँ produce होता है. Little bit over here. Now I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to dust off all the powder that I've put it. Can you see it? As you can see, her skin is done. And I've literally used 3 products. Now the fun part, bronzing. हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ हैं जिनको कॉन्टोर का नहीं पता, जो ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे करके फेस अपना स्ट्रक्चर ख़राब करती हैं. I don't know. I shouldn't say this actually. I shouldn't. I know that, but it's okay. So I'm using right now Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer, which is my favorite. Contouring actually can do magic on your face अगर आपने right amount of contour and right angles पे use किया हो. As you can see, my model doesn't have like very light eyebrows. She has very dark eyebrows. I don't need to do much. And the latest trend is कि हम eyebrows को ज़्यादा fill नहीं करते. What I like it that I have to like push all the product inside her eyebrows and I take it up. She has very dark eyebrows, so I'm not putting any color. If you have lighter eyebrows, you can put color, you can fill it if you want to. And now the fun part. I'm obsessed with highlighters. I love good highlighters. This is from MAC Soft and Gentle. Nose ke bridge pe, a little bit over here. I'm gonna curl her eyelashes. Now I'm gonna use my mascara. This is also my favorite mascara from MAC. Now I have to do her eyes. I'm not using any eyeshadow. I'm using my blush, which is from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm gonna do it over here, socket area के पास, and I'm gonna take it out. कि जो आपकी brow bone होती है उस पर, just to lift her eyes a little bit. As you can see, I'm just using my blush to do her makeup. Under eye के नीचे भी मैं same ही color use कर रहा हूँ. So मैंने अपना brush wet किया है. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to enhance her inner corners over here a little bit. As I told you, I'm obsessed with blushes. And I have another one from MAC. This has a really nice, sheen. This can be a really nice, really nice day look. And for her nose, I'm using the same bronzer that I've used on her cheeks. I don't want to use any lip pencil on her lips right now because it's already, you can see she has fuller lips. And I'm using a very basic pink and peaches type color. And I'll use the lipstick on her cheeks. I know this will be very odd, but I love doing that. Lipstick के अंदर एक sheen होती है बहुत मजे की, like glossy, and people usually love proper sculpted area. In the end, I'm gonna again use my, sorry, there's a lot of air, setting spray on her. As you can see, my model is done. And I haven't used too many products, just one blush, one lipstick, and one concealer, and one corrector, that's it.